Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this device. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this icon with a photo and a paper clip located at the bottom right corner. Now you can select your files from here, pick one of those apps or select filters at the top, audio and videos. You can also click on those three lines at the top left corner and click on one of your sources. When you're ready, hold your file that you wish to add and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!